Hey, what's up, guys? It's Jose. Today, I thought it would be fun to unbox this eBay Porta-Ton. I don't even know what it's called, but let's get to it. So this is what mine says on the side of the box. Sorry, guys. Okay, you guys can see, it says right there, 10-ton hydraulic body repair kit. It's Porta Power. Oh. Oops. Looks like everything's falling apart over here. There's this one. They feel pretty solid. They feel cheap though. And you can see this one was painted. Obviously. It feels fairly cheap, but for the price, let's give them a shot. This looks like silicone on here. So it means for this clamp. Oh, it's greasy. And it stinks. It smells like cheap plastic. Like really just strong stench. So here's this one. Feels pretty solid, but we'll put it to the test and see what happens. This has some kind of rings on it. So I'm assuming this one goes here. This one goes here. Oh, goes here. Where does this one go? So this one, I'm assuming it goes like that. And then here's this one. It goes like that. Where does this one go? So here's a stick. Feels somewhat cheap. Here these are. You can see paint right there. Look, it's already came chipped. Assuming this is where you connect it. Here's the main one. Looks like water or moisture. Here's that. This one feels solid. This one does feel solid. Okay. This one here goes this way. Okay. There's another extension. Some more extension. Put it back in. That. And here's the main Fluido. Instructions, how to put it together. So what it looks like. Feels somewhat cheap, but for the price, as long as it gets a few jobs done, I'll be happy. I want you guys to see there's all kinds of paint from shipping. I guess this thing being all tossed around everywhere. I hope you guys like this unboxing video from this body frame repair kit. I will shoot some videos using it, see what it does, see if I can get some body frame fixed or something. Give it a thumbs up, guys, and I'll see you guys for the next video. One more thing that I want you guys to see is get an idea on the case. It doesn't feel that heavy duty, so check out the seam. Look at that. So we'll see how long it lasts in here.